the batteries in. And I realise I haven't done something very important. There we go. Now, if I turn this on, isn't that pretty? Now it says, please register handset. Register. Searching for a base in registration mode, which there isn't one, so there's this. Now, if I do, presumably in the menu somewhere, registration, register handset. Please register your handset. Assign connections to handset int2, yes. int2 receives calls for fixed line, yep, and sends calls with fixed line. So if you've got fixed line, IP, ISDN, you can pair this phone to a mobile phone and use your mobile phone line as well. So you can configure all that. Okay, so if I just, yes, okay, it's like a mobile phone, you dial and then you press fixed line in use, dial number, it's dialing. Now if I press this button, I get sound from the speaker in the back.
The time from Virgin Media will be
so this is a hands-free phone as well.
50 seconds.
I can hear it normally and I can hang up. So that's all rather nice and intuitive.